Assalamu alaikum viewers, उम्मीद है आप खैरियत से होंगे. Today I brought 10 most important C.S.S vocabulary which can help you to improve your speaking. अंग्रेजी के चंद अहम तरीन अल्फाज. The first word is brazen. It is an adjective. Bold and without shame. डट कर सामना करना बेहया. Synonym bold, shameless, elbowed as brass, brazen-faced, forward, presumptuous, brash. Antonyms is timid, shy. Example sentence is he went about his illegal business with a brazen assurance. वो डढ़ाई की यकीन दहानी के साथ अपने गैर कानूनी कारोबार के बारे में चला गया. Contingent. It is an adjective. Subject to chance, आर्जी या जंगी दस्ता. Synonyms: chance, accidental, fortuitous, possible, unforeseen, unforeseeable, unexpected. Antonyms: predictable. Example sentence: The contingent nature of the job. मुलाजमत की आर्जी नोयत. equivocation. इसकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन है equivocation. Noun. The use of ambiguous language to conceal the truth or to avoid committing on self-prevarication. टाल मटोल या गोल मोल बात करना, इधर उधर बात करना. Synonym: prevarication, vagueness, qualification, ambiguity, uncertainty, ambivalence, indecision. Antonyms: directness. Example sentences: I say this without equivocation. मैं ये बात बगैर किसी तकरार के कहता हूँ. Succumb. Verb. Fail to resist pressure, temptation or some other negative force. शिकार होना, हार मानना, मजबूरन हार मानना. Synonyms: yield, given in, give away, submit, surrender, capitulate, cove in, be overcome by. Antonyms: resist, conquer. Example sentence: we cannot merely give up and succumb to despair. हम महज मायूस का मुकाबला नहीं कर सकते और मायूस का शिकार हो सकते हैं. Unravel. Verb. Investigate and solve or explain something complicated or puzzling. उगदा हल करना, सुलझाना. Synonyms: solve, resolve, work out, clear up, puzzle out, find an answer to, get to the bottom of. Antonyms: complicated. Example sentence: they were attempting to unravel the cause of death. वो मौत की वजह को सुलझाने की कोशिश कर रहे थे. erstwhile adjective. former, पुराना, इससे पहले या साबिका. Synonyms: former, old, one time, sometime, as was, the previous. Antonyms: present or future. Example sentences: the erstwhile president of Pakistan was Nawaz Sharif. मुल्क के साबिक सदर नवाज शरीफ थे. Pristine. It is an adjective. In its original condition, unspoiled. कदीम, असली, पुराना, दुरुस्त हालत में. Synonym: immaculate, in perfect condition, perfect, in mint condition, as new, unspoiled, spotless. Antonyms: dirty, sullied. Example sentence: pristine copies of an early magazine. इब्तिदाई रिसाले के कदीम नुस्खे. Insidious. Adjective: proceeding in a gradual, subtle way, but the very harmful effect. पुरकशिश लेकिन नुकसानदेह, अय्यार, धोखा देने वाला. Synonym: stealthy, subtle, surreptitious, sneaking, cunning, crafty, Machiavellian, artful. Antonyms: straightforward. Example sentence: sexual harassment is a serious and insidious problem. जिनसी तौर पर हरासा करना एक संगीन और नुकसानदेह मसला है. Grim. This is not dream. This is grim. Its pronunciation is grim. Adjective: very serious or gloomy. सख्त, शदीद, संगीन, डरावना. Synonyms: stern, forbidding, uninviting, unapproachable, aloof, distant, formidable, strict, dour. Antonyms: amiable, pleasant. Example sentences: his grim expression, इसका संगीन इजहार. The last one word is ghastly. Adjective: causing great horror or fear, भयानक, वहशतनाक, खौफनाक. Synonym: terrible, frightful, horrible, grim, awful, dire, frightening, horrifying. Antonyms: pleasant, trivial, excusable. Example sentence: this is one of the most ghastly crimes ever committed. ये अब तक के इंतहाई खौफनाक जराइम में से एक है. Thanks for watching my video. Watch this video again and again. You will learn very well. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.